other properties of fuel. That is the ignition temperature. Okay. Ignition temperature means temperature at which fuel catches fire and continue to burn without further heat. That is ignition temperature. But the ignition temperature actually depend upon the number of factors. Which are factors? Nature of fuel, whether it is a solid, liquid or gas. Then presence of moisture actually depend upon the ignition temperature. If more the moisture, more the ignition temperature. Also depend upon the means combustion environment, in which environment we are going to combustion. That is also depend, and also it is also depend upon the shape and size of experimental vessel, or where we use such which type of vessel we use. Depending upon such factors, actually ignition temperature is depend. But why there is study to such properties of the fuel? Actually, before use of fuel, we should know the actually ignition temperature, flash point, fire point, Koch number, viscosity. Actually, all properties have written on the fuel packing. Actually, what is the ignition temperature, flash point, fire point of that particular fuel. So before that, we should know this point. What is ignition temperature mean? Temperature at which fuel catch fire and continues to burn without further heat. Okay. Then flash point. Flash point means actually when we ignite a spirit lamp or kerosene lamp. Okay. When we use the matchstick, when we start the ignite the matchstick, as means it is not possible to catch the fire immediately at that temperature. It takes some time to ignite spirit lamp. It takes some time to actually fuel present in that part actually give off enough vapors, and that vapors actually catch fire. It takes some time. That time, that is the flash point, or that takes time because to increase the temperature of particular part of the oil and then catch fire. Means तुम्ही जर suppose तुम्ही दिवा लावत असाल, सपोज देवाचा पण दिवा लावत असाल, तरी काय होतं, तुम्ही मॅस्टिक अगदी लगेच ऑन केल्या ती फायर कॅच होत नाही, काहीतरी वेळ घेतो किंवा एखादी मॅस्टिक पण निघून जाते, आपण दुसरी यूज करतो. असं काय होतं, तर पर्टिक्युलर त्या पार्ट मधलं जे ऑइल आहे ते ऑइलचं टेम्परेचर इन्क्रीज होईपर्यंत आपल्याला थांबावं लागतं. ते इन्क्रीज टेम्परेचर होतं म्हणजे ते टेम्परेचर, पर्टिक्युलर टेम्परेचर, दॅट इज द फ्लॅश पॉइंट ऑफ दॅट ऑइल. Actually, flash point determined in the particular vessel. It has a technique to determine the flash point. Okay, we should know the flash point before using the fuel, and actually flash point also depend upon the some factors. That is presence of the impurity present in the oil. Then actually it is also depend upon the volatile nature. Or volatile nature means its vapor pressure of that oil. Vapor pressure is and flash point means volatility and flash point. It is inversely proportional. Okay. Then fire point, but in which you have to write only the definition of flash point. Okay. Then fire point. Fire point means the temperature at which oil vapors which catch fire and continue to burn. That temperature, that is the fire point. Okay. It also actually depend upon the number of impurities or dissolved present in oil, or it is also depend on volatile nature of oil. Next one, that is a Koch number. Koch number means carbon number present in the lubricating oil or corresponding oil. Actually it is determined the amount of carbon deposited by weighed sample of oil in a standard apparatus under a standard set of experimental condition. Means pressure, temperature is also particular at in presence of the particular temperature and pressure, coke number determined. Especially coke number determined in case of the lubricating oils. If less carbon deposited in the wet sample of means better grade of that lubricating oil. Means grade depend upon the coke number. If less coke number, better the grade of lubricating oil. Then viscosity. Viscosity, actually we know that viscosity unit is oils. In oil and especially actually viscosity is the main property of the lubricating oil, and its unit centipoise is there. Then the number of seconds required for the 60 cc of the oil to run through a standard orifice from a cylinder filled to a definite level at a standard temperature. Viscosity, actually we have done experiment in the FYBSc to determine the viscosity of liquid water, then glycerol actually. Same way actually viscosity of oil determined. We should know all these properties of the fuel before using it. And question maybe define ignition temperature, define flash fire point, or coke number, and viscosity. Most of the ignition temperature, flash point, fire point. Three definitions most important. Okay, for 1 mark. The next part, that is the cracking of petroleum. Okay, this is also the most important, cracking of petroleum. Cracking, actually this term is used in the petroleum geology, geopetroleum. Or sometimes it is also used as the petroleum chemistry. It's a meaning that is the pyrolysis. Pyrolysis means break down large molecule into small molecule. That is cracking process. Okay. Mostly in case of the kerogens. Kerogens means the heavy hydrocarbons. Okay. Heavy hydrocarbon means it contains large carbon number, that is C80, C120, sometimes C60, C70. Means large number of carbon present, that is the heavy or lubricating or some residues actually. They are also called as the kerogens. Means it means by cracking or the pyrolysis process, bond break between the carbon-carbon with the help of some catalyst or with the help of some processes, hydrogenation process, steam pyrolysis. There are a number of processes of pyrolysis in which convert into small molecule. That is the cracking of petroleum. Any type of splitting of molecules under the influence of heat, catalyst and solvent, such as in process of destructive distillation or pyrolysis. This is the definition of cracking. In simple word, actually we can also write the cracking of petroleum means breaking down large molecule into small molecule with the help of heat, catalyst and solvent. Okay, this process is the cracking of pyrolysis process. But what are the terms involved or steps involved the free radical cracking reaction? Actually, number of pyrolysis methods are available, cracking available, out of which actually free radical cracking reactions are given. Free radical reaction, we know that actually in which this term is used in the polymerization process. Okay, polymerization of ethane or polymerization of propane. Polymerization means small molecule converted into the large molecule, either the condensation, polymerization or addition polymerization. But in addition polymerization, actually radical reactions takes place. And same reactions takes place in the cracking, cracking of petroleums. And this is important actually, maybe sometimes asked for 4 mark question actually, cracking of write a short note on cracking of petroleum with the help of free radical cracking reactions. Okay. there are number of steps involved. That is first step, initiation. Okay? Initiation of a radical cracking, in which first ethane molecule CH3CH3. In ethane, we know that the CH3 bond, CH3, that is the covalent bond between the carbon-carbon. Covalent bond means sharing of electrons. Means one electron of this carbon and another electron of this carbon. When homolytic cracking takes place, homolytic cracking means one electron break between exactly in the middle, means this carbon will take its electron and this carbon will take its electron breakdown, and to form the two radicals. Radical, that is the two methyl free radicals form after homolytic fission of the ethane molecule. Okay, once the free radicals form, free radical, this dot nothing but free electron. Dot nothing but is a free electron. Once the free electron, these two methyl radical form, these are unstable. When they become unstable, immediately they attack on the another molecule on the ethane. Because for the stability, methyl free radical immediately attack on the ethane, another molecule of ethane. That is the second step. That is the hydrogen abstraction. Okay, and where the methyl free radical abstract hydrogen from ethane. Here hydrogen actually CH3CH3. With hydrogen and carbon there is also bond, covalent bond, sharing of electron. Here is also homolytic fission, and hydrogen with its electron left, with its electron. With hydrogen electron and methyl free radical combine together and there is a formation of methane. And here only one electron of the carbon left. So here the ethyl free radical form. Ethyl free radical form, it is also unstable. So next third step, that is the radical addition takes place. Okay, radical addition means form ethyl radical react with the ethene molecule. Here actually where the ethene molecule form, sometime actually here one more reaction will take place, abstract removal of this hydrogen for the stability, removal of this CH3 hydrogen for the stability, and form the hydrogen radical is also. And here is the radical, here is one radical, and then there is a formation of ethene molecule. In form ethene molecule means not only the single reaction takes place during the free radical cracking, thousands of radicals form, thousands of reactions takes place during the cracking. But this is the only one step, some steps or some methods are some involved in the free radical. Means here ethene molecule is also formed, hydrogen radical is also formed, methane is also formed, the ethyl radical is also formed, methyl radical free radical is also formed. With thousands of reactions takes place. When the ethyl free radical and ethene molecule added together, this is the addition reaction. Addition reaction, we know that the hydrogen added to the carbon-carbon double bond, that is the addition reaction. Similar, the ethyl radical added with the ethene molecule to form the butyl-free radical. In the butyl-free radical form, this chain reaction actually form, and there are number of chain reactions take form and number of products also form. This is the cracking of the petroleum. But one time will reach that stop the reaction, or it is called the termination of the reaction. जर आपण हे टर्मिनेटच नाही केली तर ती कंटिन्यू होत जाते, त्याचे नंबर ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर्म होतात. In termination of reaction, there are mainly two types of termination. That is the recombination and disproportion. Recombination means add some free radical in it. We can stop reaction. When methyl radical and ethyl radical, when two radical combine together to form the propane molecule, that is the recombination. The addition of some free radicals in that vessel, we can they can recombine together and stop the reaction or terminate the reaction. Or disproportion means ethyl radical and ethyl radical, when they combine together to form the ethene and ethane, alkene and alkane, that is the disproportion. And here propane is formed. Means there are the four steps involved in the free radical cracking reactions: initiation, hydrogen abstraction, radical addition, termination. In termination, so disproportion and recombination terminate reactions. Actually, this part is important. ओके. तुम्हाला मे बी मला असं वाटतं इथे समजत नाहीये की हे हे कॉम्बिनेशन कसं झालं, इथे इथिन कसं फॉर्म झालं. ऍक्च्युली समजले का तुम्हाला? ही रिएक्शन अगोदर झालेली आहे पॉलिमरायझेशन मध्ये. गॉट इट ऑर नॉट? Yes, anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Aishwarya? Atul?
Yes, ma'am.
Atul?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next one, that is the cracking methodology. In last yesterday actually we watched video in which there are some cracking methodologies at the end of the video, that is thermal methods, steam cracking, fluid catalytic cracking, and then hydrogen cracking was there. There are some methods in that videos. Okay. Cracking methodology in which the thermal method, steam cracking, and catalytic methods also. Thermal methods means in thermal methods actually heat is used to for the cracking. Mean in hydrocarbons carbon-carbon bond is there. To break the carbon-carbon bond actually require high amount of energy. That amount of energy, suppose they're applied, and to break molecule, that is the thermal cracking. In thermal cracking is the example of reactions whose energetics are determined by entropy. Entropy means measurement of randomness, rather than by enthalpy. Enthalpy means that is the delta H value, and entropy delta S value. Means actually they're dominated by the entropy rather than by enthalpy. The carbon-carbon bond energy is high, but the energy released by fragmentation of large molecule at higher temperature makes T delta S term larger than the delta S. And homolytic fission reaction takes place in thermal cracking. Homolytic fission means exactly break bond between the carbon-carbon. म्हणजे कार्बन आणि कार्बनचे दोन इलेक्ट्रॉन इथे असतील तर तो तसा इलेक्ट्रॉन घेऊन जाणार. म्हणजे तिथे आयन्स फॉर्म नाही होणार, तर रॅडिकल फॉर्म होणार. दॅट इज द होमोलॅटिक फिशन. The steam cracking. Here, to break the bond between the carbon-carbon or carbon-sulfur or carbon-nitrogen, means in hydrocarbon, steam is used. It is the principle of industrial method used to prepare lighter alkenes. Steam is used for pyrolysis. Higher temperature favors to produce ethane and benzene, while lower temperature produces propene and C4 derivatives. Okay, in this process also actually we have seen yesterday. But catalytic method, next one, catalytic methods. Catalytic methods, copper balls, actually copper oxide ball, aluminum balls are were there, and they in that video actually I'm saying and they put in a bag, and their bag actually dip in liquid fuels, and then there is a reaction takes place. That is the catalytic methods or catalytic cracking methods were there. And the low activity alumina catalyst particles. Low activity alumina catalyst particle was suspended in rising flow of hydrocarbons. Okay, Cracking takes place using very active zeolite based catalyst. Zeolite based catalyst in short contact time vertical pipe called riser. Preheated feed sprayed via nozzles where it contains extremely hot catalyst. Its temperature 666 to 760 degrees Celsius. The catalyst vaporized the fluid and break down into lighter compounds including LPG, gasoline and diesel. The catalyst hydrocarbon mixture separated via cyclones, then the mixture of hydrocarbons separated in distillation column. Actually, the catalytic distillation column is given, then catalyst fine separated fuel, but no need to study type complicated diagram. Actually, हा जो part आता मी घेतलेला आहे, it is not much important. Then hydrocracking. Hydrocracking is catalytic cracking associated with presence of added hydrogen. Maybe actually answer write a short note on hydrocracking. Means hydrocracking, hydrogen gas is used for the cracking or pyrolysis. Means hydrocracking is catalytic associated with presence of the added hydrogen. Unlike hydroheater where H2 gas is used to break CS bond, carbon sulfur bond, carbon nitrogen bond. Means in hydrocarbon some impurities present, impurity means carbon sulfur compounds, carbon nitrogen compounds present. To break the bond between the carbon sulfur or carbon nitrogen, hydrogen gas is used. If means there is formation of the ammonia compound, but this carbon actually this hydrogen and sulfur react, then form sometimes the sulfur dioxide in presence of oxygen. And in hydrocracking, hydrogen gas used to break the carbon-carbon bond also. Not only the CS and CN, that is carbon-carbon bond also. The product of hydrocracking are saturated hydrocarbons depending on reaction conditions ranges from ethane, LPG to higher hydrocarbons. The product actually most of in the hydrocracking LPG the product form is small, that is the ethane, methane, LPG form, but in small proportion higher hydrocarbons. Bifunctional catalyst is used which can break carbon-carbon bond and add hydrogen. Okay. Then what are the function of hydrogen in hydrocracking? To prevent the formation of polycyclic compounds. Polycyclic compounds, in case of free radical reaction, maybe there is formation of the cyclic compounds also. Cyclobutane, cyclopropane, then cyclopentane, hexane. But in hydrocracking actually prevent the polycyclic compounds, so hydrocracking is important. Then to reduce tar formation, coal tar formation, residue formation, reduction in the hydrocracking. To reduce impurities. Impurities present in the form of sulfur compounds or nitrogen compounds. To reduce impurities in hydrocracking, then prevent buildup of coke on catalyst. In other cracking processes, maybe carbon radical is form or carbon form, the chain of carbon linked together and there may be formation of the coke. And but in hydrocracking actually prevention to build up the coke on catalyst. Which catalyst is used? Alumina, copper. High Cetene number fuel is achieved. High Cetene number, octane number would be selected. It converts sulfur and nitrogen content in sulfur dioxide and ammonia. Means when break the bond, carbon sulfur compound converted into sulfur dioxide, and break the bond between the carbon and nitrogen converted into ammonia. These are the functions of hydrogen in hydrocracking. Okay, cracking methodologies too. Next one, that is the octane number. This term is important. Actually, octane number related to the engine, knocking engine. When we use petrol or diesel in engine, there is mixed noise, that knocking sound while starting or ignition of the petrol or diesel. Hmm? That to overcome the knocking sound or knocking problem, actually high octane number fuels or high octane number petrols is. High octane number petrol and low octane number petrol means what? Suppose in fuel there is only linear chain hydrocarbons present in the petrol. Linear chain hydrocarbons present in the petrol. Then there is a high octane number. Then there is a low octane number. For example, in case of the N-heptane, N-heptane's octane number is 0. Means to become a high octane number, the hydrocarbon should be branched. In case of the isooctane, the octane number 100. This hydrocarbon isooctane is the octane number 100. Suppose is used in engine, it prevent the knocking sound in engine. We actually sometime ask the write the formula of the isooctane or write the chemical structure whose octane number is 100, or give example of hydrocarbon whose octane number 100. Okay. In which actually isooctane there are how many carbons are here? 8 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it's a isooctane called. So why actually here is a high octane number? Because due to the branched hydrocarbon, so its octane number is high. Octane number is a standard measure of the performance. Octane number is a standard measure of the performance of engine. पेट्रोल इंजिन असेल, तुमचा मोटार इंजिन असेल किंवा बायसिकल जे इंजिन असेल, त्या इंजिनच्या रिलेटेड ही टर्म येते. यूज ऑफ पेट्रोल with lower octane number may lead to the problem of engine knocking. Okay, observe that elder observed that the straight chain alkanes knock badly. Noise येते, इंजिन स्टार्ट करताना नॉइज येतो. If in case of the straight chain alkene present in the petrol, knock badly, but branched chain alkanes knock very less. So actually isooctane is used in petrol. Thus the relative anti-knock tendency of a fuel is generally indicated by its octane number. Olefins, cycloparaffins, and aromatic hydrocarbons have higher octane number than 100. Means we can also use the olefins, the carbon hydrocarbon containing carbon-carbon double bond, that is olefins, cycloparaffins, cyclic paraffinic compounds, and aromatic hydrocarbons have higher octane number. They can also use in the petrol to for the anti-knocking property of petrol. Then what are the methods to measure octane rating? Research octane number, that is RON. It is most common method to determine the octane number. It is determined by running the fuel in the test engine with variable compression ratio under controlled conditions. Variable compression ratio means pressure and running petrol. That ratio actually compression ratio under controlled condition, and comparing the result with those of mixtures of isooctane and N-heptane. Different ratios of the isooctane and N-heptane, 90, 20, 80, 50-50 like that. Then motor octane number. It determined at 900 RPM engine speed instead of 6 RPM for RON. Research octane number. The motor octane number uses similar test like research octane number, but with preheated fuel mixture. Already heated fuel is used in the motor octane number. Higher engine speed and variable ignition timing. Okay, this octane number is determine the higher engine speed and the variable ignition timings. Then anti-knock index. Anti-knock index AKI or R plus M divided by 2. That is the average RON and MON called the anti-knock index. Then CT number. Actually all these terms RON, MON and AKI. Actually just for your information. हे कधी विचारलेलं नाही आहे अजूनपर्यंत. Okay. Next CT number. It is denoted as CN. CN means coordination number. CN, that is the CT number. Okay. It is an indicator of the combustion speed of diesel fuel. CT number is an inverse function of fuel's ignition delay in the time period between the start of injection and the first identifiable pressure increase during the combustion of fuel. The higher the CT number, more easily fuel burns. Actually, CT number high in case of the heptane and heptane, high CT number fuel. Then, what are the applications of petrochemicals? We know we can write randomly actually applications of petrochemicals. First one, that is petrochemicals in automobiles. Then petrochemical products in electronic sectors. Then petrochemicals in offices, that is equipment, polystyrene, then polyethylene, petrochemical in offices. Then it also includes the atomization equipment, furniture, interiors, or workstations, petrochemicals use. Then petrochemicals in transportation. That we know that the use of petrochemicals in transportation have means railways, road, then aeroplanes. Then petrochemicals in polymer industry. Polymer industry, polystyrene or PVC, polyvinyl chloride or polypropylene, then nylon 6,6, bakelite, means to manufacture the polymers or to manufacture of plastic products. There is a need of petrochemicals, where actually in petrochemical also use the in polymer industry also use petrochemicals. Then petrochemicals in healthcare. Number of petrochemicals are used in manufacturing of the healthcare, that is phenol, then cumene. Actually, phenol and cumene utilized in the form of preparatory substance, means in the manufacture of the penicillin, aspirin, means for the preparation of the medicines there is need of petrochemicals. Then petrochemicals in acryl nitride, dyes, antioxidant, pharmaceuticals, in need of the petrochemicals. Then petrochemicals in coal. Then petrochemical in the medical equipments. Okay, medical equipment means machines, computer monitors, toners, then in need of photocopies. Then petrochemical in acetic acid. Acetic acid means films, plastic, insulator. Means actually acetals or acetic acid is organic compound and it produces by reacting actually acetic acid. Means form thin films of the plastics in paint industry or in magnetic wire insulator or in pharmaceutical. In preparation of the acetic acid, there is need of the petrochemicals. you can write any 3 or 4 applications of petrochemicals. This is simple but important question. What are the applications of petrochemicals? Okay. Then, okay, in next lecture we will see the synthetic petroleum. Okay, this part actually today 2 lectures, all points are important. Means from definition of the fuel, classification, it is also properties of good fuels also important. Then calorific value, definition of calorific value, units, in units as a calorie and BTU important. Then determination of calorific value of fuel with the help of Bohm calorimeter. You write 2 to 3 sentences, give one example of anthracite coal and write um, the formula used to determine the calorific value. Then other properties of fuel in which definitions only important. Define ignition temperature, flash point, fire point. Cracking of petroleum or pyrolysis process is very important. Most of this time actually it is asked. You have to write a stepwise. The next one, in cracking methodology, actually sometimes ask the write a short note on the fluid catalytic cracking or hydrocracking. But in which most important hydrocracking than the FCC also. The next one, octane number and cetane number. Octane and cetane number. What are octane number or what are cetane number? You write give examples. Octane number, branched hydrocarbons, and high cetane number, that is N-heptane has the high cetane number also, but octane number 0. Okay, these are the important terms and applications. And these are RON, MON are not important, only the cetane number. Okay. Okay, next lecture we will see the synthetic petroleum.